Hi children, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to the new session. Let us recall the previous class, what had happened in the story. Are you reading, children? Yes. What had happened? They went into the forest and they came face to face with an elephant. So they were hiding behind a big tree, right? Then what did Velu tell to Amit? He said that he's angry and don't let him see us. Isn't it? So where they were hiding, children? Behind a big tree. Okay. So what more they talked? So did the elephant watch them? Or did it identify them? Yes. It came to know that these boys were hiding behind a big tree and it smelled them too. Isn't it? Yes. So what had happened? Amit was so excited to see and he is enjoying himself. But Velu is a bit afraid. He was very quiet and thinking of what to do next. So he quickly got an idea. He pulled out a brown paper bag out of his pocket. And what is there in that brown paper bag? There are some few sweets. Right? He emptied that brown paper bag. And what did he do with that? He blew air into it and hit it hard with the hand. Did you think why did he do this? Did you guess what will happen next? Yes, now let us see that what happened in the story. Are you ready with your books, children? Pencil? Now get started now. So today's paragraph is that it made a very loud noise. What happened? When he hit this bag with his hand, what happened? It made a very loud noise. Bang! Okay. So, how did the elephant react to this? The elephant stopped, trumpeted angrily and turned away. What did the elephant do? It was totally very much angry and lifted its trunk and trumpeted loudly and turned away. So, it did not come to fight with them or attack them. It turned away. He walked quickly through the tall grasses and soon disappeared into the forest. What did the elephant do? It disappeared into the forest. It ran into the forest through the tall grasses. What is the meaning of disappear, children? Note down the meaning. To be out of sight. So they couldn't see that. It quickly ran into the forest. So both the boys heaved a sigh of relief. What did the boys do? Heave a sigh of relief. Do you know the meaning of it, children? So underline and write down now. What is it? To take a long breath to relax. So the elephant left the place. So they thought that they were in the safe condition. So they got relaxed. What is the word used here? Heave a sigh of relief. Means take a long breath to relax. So what did they do next? He thought we had a gun, said Amit, laughing softly. What did they do, children? He told his friend that, just laughing and giggling and saying that, the elephant thought that we had a gun with us. Yes, said Velu quietly. Now let's run. Okay, so the elephant thought that we had a gun and left away. So what we need to do now? Let's run. They ran. After some time, Amit said, "Look, those are the lights of our camp." So when they started running, they did not stop anywhere and they want quickly to reach their camp. So what did they do? They started running. So after a while, Amit told his friend that, "Look, those are the lights of our camp." Means they were very near to it. Isn't it, children? So when Amit told that those are the lights from our camps, what did Velu say? What a welcoming sight. The two boys didn't stop running until they were safe at the camp. So what is the meaning of this phrase, children? What a welcoming sight. When we desire for something and it is in front of us and we are comfortable of it, we can say that it is a welcoming sight. So they were so happy that they were very near to the camp. So they did not stop running till they reached to their camp safely and meet their friends. Did you understand, children? This is the story. This is the end of the story. Hope you liked it. And what moral did you learn from this story? What did you learn, children? Hope these boys are of your age, isn't it? Yes. Don't you think that they are brave and spontaneous? What do you mean by spontaneous? And take an idea at the quick moment, isn't it? Who solved the problem here, children? Velu. Isn't it? What did he do? He made a trick to escape from the dangerous elephant. Isn't it? Don't you think that he is brave enough to play? And he is very spontaneous. He had a good idea to escape. And luckily they got escaped from the danger. Isn't it? So students, what do you learn from this story? You need to be so brave enough. Got it, children? So hope you are following the story and reading it and enjoyed it. But if you don't worry. Let us have the story at a glance now. Okay? So we are going to repeat and follow the story once again. What did we learn about this? Which place is referred in this story, children? Kerala. Very good. So can you say where it is located? Did you remember? Yes, it is located in Malabar coast. And it's known as God's own country. Do you know why it is called as God's own country? Because it is created in such a beautiful manner with good atmosphere and nature. It has lot of water bodies like waterfalls, greenery, forest, and it is such a pleasant place. And it is also a tourist place to look all these sights. Got it, children? Yes. And who are the characters in our story? Amit and Velu. And I told you this story is a part of conversation. What do you mean by conversation? A talk between two people. So who is living in Kerala? Velu. And who came to stay with him? Amit. So how did Amit react while seeing the Kerala? He felt that Kerala is a very beautiful place with tall trees and plants. He observed many forests on the way, and he was very curious to know whether any wild animals are in this forest. And what did Velu tell about that? He told him that there are many wild animals and many elephants are in their forest. And Velu had a plan to go for a camp with his schoolmates, and he asked Amit to join him. Did Amit join, children? Certainly. He joined along with Velu to the camp. And what do you mean by camp? To stay in tents for short time when you go for some exploring. Got it? Like forest areas, or you go for the trekking for the mountain areas. So there you don't have any cottages or you don't have hotels to check in. So you need to add your own accommodation. So you need to put a tent and stay there. So that's called camp. So what happened in the camp? One day these two boys tried to explore the forest. What do you mean by explore? To find out. So they went into the forest to look into. So all of a sudden, or on the way, they missed their track, but they soon got into the track, and while they were walking along the Periyar river, Velu heard something. What is it? A sound of a heavy footsteps coming towards them. And he thought that a big animal is coming towards them. And later he identified that it's an elephant is going to attack them. So what did they do, children? They tried to hide behind a big tree. And who was very curious here? Amit. He was not afraid of elephant, and he is not ready to face other consequences, but he did not think about them, and he was so excited to see that elephant. But whereas Velu, he was afraid and he don't want that elephant to attack them and put them in the danger. So what did he think of doing it? He quickly pulled out a brown paper bag in which it had sweets in it. He emptied it and blew air into it. And it's like a balloon then. He hit hard with his hand. And the elephant was angry to that sound and trumpeted loudly and escaped into the forest. So what did they do then? And what did the elephant think of that sound? It might thought that they had a gun. So the boys were very quick to escape from that place. They started running away. And soon they found the lights of their camp, and until they reached to the camp safely, they did not stop running. Hope children, you enjoyed the story. And that's the end of the story. And along with this, you are receiving the worksheets, isn't it, children? So please do work on them and write this written part in the PR books and learn the story. And try to narrate it, children, so that you will be good at your spoken skills too. Thank you.